Hello to all of my peeps out there. Today, let's talk about drawing anime adults. Or better yet, let's actually draw some. Before we begin, 3 things I want you to note. Firstly, I am using the Clip Studio Paint drawing software for this exercise. Secondly, the age range for adults is 20 to 50. And thirdly, wrinkles start to come in at the end of your 30s or early 40s. Okay, let's begin by drawing a man. Keep these features in mind when drawing your anime men. Really archy eyebrows. You're going to want smaller eyes because the smaller the eyes, the older the character. A defined jawline, defined cheekbones, long angled ears, a higher hairline with thick eyebrows, and a chiseled body with a wider torso area. So now is the time to go all out with those muscles. Now it's time to draw a woman. A woman's characteristics are similar to the men's characteristics with a couple obvious differences. So we still have the archy eyebrows, the small eyes, the defined jawline and cheekbones. Her hairline is going to be lower than a man's with thinner eyebrows. The ears are both going to be angular and longer. And the body is still going to be chiseled, except the hips are going to be wider than the torso is. And that wraps it up for the anime adults, peeps. Now for the essential review. For the men, we have archy eyebrows, small eyes, long angular ears. We've got a defined jawline and cheekbones, a higher forehead start with thicker eyebrows and a wide torso. For the anime women, we have the archy eyebrows again, small eyes, long angular ears, a defined jawline and cheekbone. We've got a lower hairline than the men have with thinner eyebrows, and we have wider hips. Now it's time to get out there and draw some convincing adults, peeps. Thank you for watching this video again. If you approved of the content you just saw, I highly recommend you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to influence the content of my future videos, check out my art accounts on X or Instagram or both, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!